In a saucepan, cook the onion and the garlic cloves in a little oil. After a minute, add the minced beef, breaking it up with a spoon when the mince has browned. Stir in the chili powder, cumin, ground coriander, and the plain flour. Stir in the beef stock, tomatoes, tomato puree, kidney beans, oregano, and salt. Place a bay leaf into the mixture. Loosely cover and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Allow to cool some so you don't burn yourself during the next bit. Preheat the oven to 200 Celsius for 100 F closing parenthesis top and tail the baguette. Then cut it into 3 to 4 equal rolls, hollow out each roll, allowing a thin border of bread around the outside. Stuff each roll with chili using a teaspoon. Try to really fill them up. Make the garlic butter by stirring into cloves of crushed garlic and a handful of parsley into the melted butter.